Hi everyone. Today we will discuss unit conversion. Let's start our story by converting 60 miles per hour into how many feet per second. If you already understand this relation, 1 mile equals 5,280 feet, 1 hour equals 60 minutes, and 1 minute equals 60 seconds, but still you have some trouble to converting miles per hour into feet per second, and this small lecture can be a help. This kind of unit conversion can be frequently used in math and many fields of science. In here, think of this one. Let me start our story with 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. If these two amounts are equal, we can make a fraction. This must be 1, right? This is a very important concept. Or this is also possible. 5,280 feet and 1 mile. This is also 1, right? And we call this one as a unit fraction. And since this value is 1, we can multiply this unit fraction to any other number without changing the original value, right? So here, I copy 60 miles per hour. Here, 60 miles over 1 hour. And I multiply 3 unit fractions. Here, yeah, definitely this is 1. This is 1. This is 1. So basically, making unit fraction is not a big deal, because we can make just one over two possible fraction from some equal sign, right? The key point is which one is correct. Here, in your numerator you have a mile, but you need feet, right? From mile to feet, which means we must eliminate the mile. To do so, please note that in your second unit fraction, you have a mile at your bottom. Good? So we can cancel out mile here. Then you have a feet here, and I need a feet here, right? So first conversion is good. Now second one, it was hour here, hour, but I need second. So I must eliminate the hour. To do so, please note that hour must be in your numerator, right? To be cancelled out also. So 1 hour equals 60 minutes, so we can make a unit fraction 1 hour over 60 minutes. And I have a still minute, but I need a second. So the last unit fraction, minute must be here, and second must be here. And we know that 1 minute equals 60 seconds, right? Calculation is not a big deal. The more important thing is the arranging the unit fraction. Okay, to do so, please think the unit. We have a lot of unit fraction from some, our previous one. Remember that 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Then we can make two different unit fraction. 1 minute over 60 seconds equals 1, or 60 seconds over 1 minute equals 1. Okay, many relation, and from which we can make so many different unifraction. For example, 1 foot equals 12 inches, then 1 foot over 12 inch equals 1. If we need, you can make 12 inch over 1 foot. This is also 1. Okay. Yeah, 1 pound equals 16 ounce. 1 kilogram is 2.2 pound. 1 pound is 454 grams. 1 foot equals 30.48 centimeters. We can use all of this one to convert a lot of different units. Okay, we will solve some example question. Convert the gravitational acceleration 9.8 meter per second squared into feet per second squared. So here 9.8 meter over 1 second squared equals, and our final answer must have a feet here, second squared here. Since we have the same second squared, we don't worry about the time, in this case second, right? Just changing meter into feet. I copy 2 different unit here that can be used here. So I will multiply unit fraction, which is the 1, but I don't need meters here, so please place the meter here. So 1 meter equals 100 centimeter, right? So we can cancel out meter. Still, I have a centimeters on our numerator. So next to unit fraction, to cancel out these centimeters, I must have a centimeter here. Now you can use this one, right? 1 foot equals 30.48 centimeters. So again, centimeters will be cancelled out. So if you think the unit only, you have a feet, you have a second squared. That is what I want, right? And calculation is not a big deal. You can find 32. Actually, this is about 32. Okay, next one. Convert 30 degree into radian. In trigonometry, we have a lot of conversion like this. 30 degree here times, I need a unit fraction, but I don't need the degree in our final answer because they ask us radian. So degree here. So from this relation, can you make a unit fraction? Yes. 180 degree equals 1 pi. Okay. This is the pi over 6 radian. Good. Okay, last one. Convert density 1000 kilogram per cubic meter into pound per cubic feet. Wow. You have a headache? Okay, let me copy. 1000 kilogram per cubic meter, right? And our final answer must have a pound per cubic feet. Okay, one by one. Multiply. Okay, I don't need kilogram because I need to convert kilogram into pound, right? So we must place the kilogram in the bottom to be cancelled out, right? So what is some relation here? 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pound. Okay, so we have already pound. Okay, so we have done. Now next step, I must convert the meter cube into feet cube. So I will use one by one. Meter cube is in your denominator. To eliminate this one, I must place meter here and centimeter here. So 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. But in this case, we must be very, very careful, because here this is a meter cube, right? So to make a meter cube, this whole thing, we need a cube. But this is absolutely okay, because this is the unifraction. So 1 cube is also 1. Good? So now this meter cube and this meter cube will be cancelled out. Now you have a centimeter cube in your denominator, right? So I want to eliminate that one also. I will use this one. Centimeter here, and what is that? 30.48 centimeter equals 1 foot. Again, still I have a cubic power here. So to eliminate the centimeter cube, I need cube here. Okay? So if my math is correct, this is about 62 pound per cubic feet. Okay? Okay, let me summarize one more time. If you have some different unit, which is the same one, like 1 hour equals 60 minutes, or 1 minute equals 60 seconds, so many things, right? From this, we can make a fraction whose value is 1. You can make a b over a also, whose value is 1, and we can multiply 1 or a over b or b over a any times. Okay, this is the key point to convert to unit. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.